Welcome back to the Crypto Factor. Welcome back to your favorite cryptopreneurship show with the best intro in the world because I stutter, and I don't know how to pronounce words apparently, but welcome back anyway. Here we talk about crypto. My name is Paul. We're going to be talking about crypto. This is Cryptopreneurship channel, and this week's live stream is to answer your questions. We're going to just chill, chat, answer the questions. I do try to answer all questions within the chat, so ask away, and we'll get to them. Today is hot. Today's hot in Greece. As you know, I'm in Greece. I'm based here right now, bringing to you this live crypto stream. We do videos daily, well, almost daily. We do video shorts, we do reviews, we do live streams, do a whole bunch of stuff. So if that's something that interests you, check out this channel, watch this channel. And if you like what you see and what's there not to like, go ahead, subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the next video. But yes, let's have a look at what's going on today. Tell me where you are from. Tell me what you are drinking. I am in Greece, as I said, and I'm drinking water today. Put it in the chat. Let's have some fun. Ask your questions. Let's get started. Sorry, I was thirsty. I see Bill S saying Yasu Paul in Greece. In Greek, how you doing, Bill? I see Max K saying salam, brother, in Arabic. Alaikum salam, my brother. I see Max K he's from the UK, but he's talking in Arabic. Awesome, man. So let's get started. Let's talk about the Bitcoin price. Let's talk about the crypto bubbles. Let's see what's playing right now. Let's see if we're in the range, what's going on. And let's get started on your questions. I do see some questions coming in. I see people coming in. Great. Oh, and I see some great questions here. I see some awesome questions this time. Really cool. How to take profits. I like that. That shows you're smart. That shows you're researching. Okay, real quick, let's have a look at the Bitcoin price right now. And as you can see, right now we're in a range. And we're still in the same range that we've been talking about. We are under the moving averages here. And this can break down. We do have support at 28,446. I do believe this is going to hold. I do believe we're going to start going up again. But that could be me just wishful thinking. So let's see what happens. If we do break this support right here, we may visit the 27,400 or even as low as 26,000 or even a bit lower than that. We might even come down here to the lows. 24,700. Guess what? We're still in the bullish range if this happens, even though I think more than likely we're going to visit right here, 28,343 and bounce back up. But let's see. The more you hit a support line, the more it gets weaker it gets, the more it can break down. But this also is the same thing for the way up. So the more you hit a resistance line, it also gets weaker and can break up. So that's what's going on. We're in the same range right here. If we look at the crypto bubbles today, we do see, and these are my favorite cryptocurrencies because I do own these cryptocurrencies. I do have small positions and large positions in a lot of these cryptos. And these are the cryptos we mostly talk about on this channel. We do have Gods Unchained pumping 28% here today, which does show a play of the gaming section, and we can actually see that with VRA right here as well, and PYR. So basically, we do see things moving. We see Mana pumping a little bit. This is all great. So let's see what happens. It is a Sunday. Let's see what happens tomorrow, and we'll have a look at that. By the way, real quick, if you're not following me on Twitter, my handle is MCPaulD. Don't go to the wrong handle. MCPaulD is the name you should follow, right? So this is me, Paul Democritou, the Crypto Factor. If you want to follow me and see my tweets, I do make general tweets on entrepreneurship, not just crypto. Obviously, I have a lot of promo here this week because I was out, but yeah, that's basically what I do. Oh, and this is Briffet Dance right here. And I have a message for you from her. Pay attention because this girl right here, this one right here, she has a message for you, okay? Check it out.
Hey guys, I'm Briffet Dance. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Briffet Dance.
So there you go. How can you resist? But the message is true. So that's what I wanted to get out the way. Let's get into your questions. Let's get into what we have here. I see Holmes saying, hey Paul, represent. What's up, my man? Factor fam. Hi man, what's your favorite profit-taking strategy? Okay, let's talk about this profit-taking strategy, John, because it's very important. A lot of people don't understand it. Now, you can do what I do and use technical analysis and get out of support and resistant areas and calculate where your profit should be taken about, right? Because it's never 100%, or usually not 100%, right? The best way to take profits, if you don't know technical analysis, and I think that's the message I have to give you here, and this is what I do a lot as well, is, and I do know technical analysis, it's just that it's a lot faster and easier for me. If I invest $1,000 in a cryptocurrency, now let's say it's a top cryptocurrency, I don't know, like Cosmos or Solana, and it goes up to $3,000, all right? I will take $1,000 profit and let that $2,000 run. That means that I actually took out my initial investment, so that $2,000 here on is 100% profit. Now, if it goes double again, if it goes 2x again, it goes up to 4,000, I'll take out another 1,000. And then I'll wait, and I'll just keep on doing that, but always have a bag, if you will, for the top. So even if I miss the top, it doesn't matter. I already made a lot of money, but I'm exposing myself to potential more gains. But if it's a meme coin and I'm going in with more risk, I will actually wait more. And I know this sounds controversial, but I'm not going into any meme coin unless it means a 10x or more, right? And I talk about this in my course, by the way. You can see it linked down in the description below. If it's a meme coin, let's say I invest $1,000 into it, I won't take profits until $10,000, but then I'll take half. I'll take out $5,000 and then I'll wait again and take those bigger leaps, faster but bigger profit-taking leaps. And the reason is, if you're going to get into meme coins, the risk is so high, it's only worth it if you're going to make some serious money from it. Also, it's only worth it if you know that meme coins are pumping it out because it's meme season. Now, that said, because the profits are so much bigger and there's bigger gaps, this allows you to, and you should invest less money. So you're not investing $1,000 like you would in a cryptocurrency. You're investing $100 or $200. So now you're minimizing that risk. You're making the risk-reward ratio worth it, and you're taking more profits, and it makes more sense. Does that make sense? So that's my profit-taking strategy in a nutshell. Now, for more in-depth profit-taking strategy, I'll have to make a video. I do plan on making a video, and I will make a video because a lot of people are asking, so I will do it, okay? Just give me time, because right now it's August, and it is vacation season. And the truth is I'm a bit burnt out, so I am going to be doing less videos. I'm probably going to be doing live streams like this and 60-second video shorts. So make sure you check those out. If you actually go to my channel, let me just show you real quick. Here you go. You will see right here, I have, okay, for example, this is my homepage. You can see different videos. Right here, there are video shorts. Alternatively, you can go to the tab here and click shorts, and you will see all my short videos. I'll be doing mostly these for the next 2 weeks, all right? I might do a video or two, but mostly short videos I can get out fast without wasting too much time. When I say wasting time, I mean I need a break, guys. I've been through a lot. I've been through cancer. I've recovered from cancer. I've been through a lot last year. You know the story. People that are following this channel know the story. I need to take a holiday. I need a break. I'll be taking my motorbike. I just bought well, not a new motorbike, a used motorbike, so I can travel, do videos like this for you, and have some fun. So I'll be going back and forth. So that's what's going to be happening. Crypto Factor, what's cracking, my man? Cool stuff, man. Everything's going well. Everything's going well. I actually went on a road trip yesterday. Well, the day before. I stayed overnight at a place called Carfos in Peloponnes. We stayed at a nice hotel. We had a nice meal, with a couple of meals, many meals, lots of meals. And, you know, we had some fun. So we went and we swam. It was really cool, man. And, yeah, good stuff. And I came back today to do this video. And we'll see next week I'm going again somewhere else. Bless you, Paul from Minnesota States. Appreciate you, man. I appreciate you too. Thanks for saying that, bro. A lot of bearishness. Where is the bearishness? You mean by sentiment, by people being bearish? Well, that's actually pretty bullish. I'm a bit of a contrarian. I'm actually worried when everyone's bullish, just so you know. Mikik, if I'm pronouncing right, it's good to catch you live and seeing you doing well. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Shama man saying hello, Paulo. Mr. Blue, I haven't seen you for a while, dude. All right, Bill S. On our one-on-one, we talked about Hex and Pulse X. What are your thoughts for the next bull run? I held a nice bag of Pulse X. As I said in our coaching, if I remember correctly, Bill, Pulse X is an experiment. It always was an experiment. That's what I called it right from the get-go, and I see it as an experiment. As a matter of fact, Richard Hart said he literally sees it as an experiment when I interviewed him for my new book, and so on. So as for Pulse X, I can't really answer. As for Hex, what's going on right now with the drama, I want to see the price action. Right now, it's not looking that good, but I want to see the price action with everything's going on with the SEC and everything after September, after summer holidays are over. I want to see the price action. I want to see the sentiment. I want to see what's going on, and we'll see. But if it becomes a security, it's not good, by the way. Or if people view it as a security, it's not good either. Just to let you know, I do have a video about what happens if something is deemed a security, by the way, just so you know. A lot of people think they know, they don't. If you go on my channel and you scroll down here, where is it? There should be a video. Okay, urgent for XRP hodlers plus XRP. No, that's not the one. Sorry about that. Okay, what if XRP or cryptocurrency becomes a security? Okay, this is not just for XRP. This is for any cryptocurrency. Make sure you watch this video here. All right, extremely important so you can understand what happens. I'll give you the short scoop of it here right now, live. Not good. Not good at all. Keep that in mind. Max Cases, we love you, bro. Love you too, man. Jason, where in Minnesota do you live? Okay, so you're talking to someone else. Hope you're a better ball. Yes, Kid Calm, I'm better, man. I just need to relax. I need to take a bit of a holiday. I will be doing 60-second videos. I still will be doing live streams. I actually bought... not too long ago, a box, a special 5G box where I can live stream from anywhere. So it's pretty cool. Because my provider is not that good on my phone. What should I do with Solana? Just hold it and wait and take profit of whatever. Jason, look, I can't tell you what to do with Solana. I'm very big on Solana. I called it at $2. I told everyone not to sell at $70. I called the top of Solana. I actually made a video about it. If you go to my... YouTube channel into the community community area right here. If you click community, and you did I put it here? Okay, no, it's on my Twitter. Sorry about that. But if you go to Twitter real quick, and you actually follow me on Twitter, which I suggest you do, MC Paul D. If you scroll down, look, when I called Solana perfectly, okay? This is where I told you to get out of Solana and take profits, okay? Let me show you real quick, right here. So where do I think Solana, let me just see right here if I can see the date for you guys as well, if it shows up. So where do I think Solana is going to reach? What's my Solana price prediction? And we've been talking about Solana since it was $2 on this channel. I've been telling you guys to get into Solana. I've been begging you to get into Solana. Well, a lot of you did. I get a lot of thank yous. A lot of people didn't. They have regrets. A lot of people saying, oh, you're stupid. You should put seafood. Yeah, okay. Well, Solana right now, if it breaks all-time highs, which I think it will, but it's going to take some time. I think it's going to go to the $150 to the $180 mark. And if it breaks that, we're looking at a $200, $250. Anyway, let me not bore you with that. But yeah, watch my Solana videos and stuff like that. Do you write scripts? And what's your opinion on writing your own script? Great question, Mr. Nick. Okay, let me answer that truthfully. I do not script anything. I don't script my live stream. I don't script my videos. I do not script anything. And it's the biggest mistake you can make. As in sales, I never did scripting for sales either, except my timeshare pitches when I used to do timeshare and stuff like that where I had to. I never script my my pitch, and this is bad. I always went impromptu, but I was also into acting on stage and everything like that, and I liked going impromptu just because I get bored, right? I'm lazy. But I'll tell you this right now, scripting your sales pitch or anything is the best thing you can do. I actually worked, and I wrote a book with Ben Gay III. He used to be with Napoleon Hill, one of the best salesmen in the world, by the way. We wrote The Closers Part 3 together right there. It's the original sales Bible, right? You know, you got a script. And the truth is, when I script timeshare, it was the best, the most sales and conversions ever. Same thing happens with videos, same things happens with everything. You can always use a script base. and navigate away from it, but you need a script base. I don't. I have no notes here. I have nothing. And even when I record videos, the closer I get to the script is do it part by part and then cut and edit. I just find it more fun. It's weird, but that's just me. Hey Paul, would you recommend investing in Casper? Look, I've been looking at Casper, and I feel, because I was in hospital, because of the problems I have, I feel I missed it a little bit, right? I'm going to admit this right now. And I really need to look into it. I kept on saying I'm going to look into it. I never really looked into it as of late. I looked into it in the past, obviously. And I want to revisit it. The problem is I didn't have the time. A lot happened. So I can't answer that question. I have to honestly say I'm not qualified to answer this question right now. Now, I might be qualified in a couple of weeks, but I'm not qualified right now. I'm just going to be honest with you. Ahmed Yusuf, what's up, my man? How you doing? Also a member of this channel. Thank you very much for supporting the Crypto Factor. Thank you for all you do, says Dante. I like your optimism for the long term. Do you like optimism? Oh, optimism, another one I missed and I haven't really talked about. I think it's good. I think there's a play into it. I think it's worth looking into. But I really can't, I'm not qualified to answer you this specific time on that cryptocurrency. I truly am sorry. Alt season waiting for March. You shouldn't be waiting for alt season. You should react to alt season, Shah. You got a brother here in Iran, Morteza Mahamadi. Thank you very much, man. Emruz Heli Garmast. Emruz Heli Garmast Yunani. In case you're wondering what I said, I think I said that it's extremely hot today in Greece. Vale. Zen token, best chance for 1000x. I think Zen is doing very well, actually. And I mentioned that I was supposed to have a Jenna X to talk about it on my channel. Unfortunately, we were supposed to do the video a couple of days ago. It got postponed. We'll do it later on, but she's more qualified to talk about it than I am. But that is something I am eyeing myself. We'll see. Thiago Ciprian, good to see you, my friend. Keep at it. Thank you very much, man. Really appreciate you. Put your questions in the chat, man. Put your all questions in the chat. We have 42 people watching this live stream. We have 8 likes. I hate asking for likes, so I demand you to hit that like button. I demand you. This is not a request. Okay, that probably didn't work. Please hit the like button to support this channel. I would really appreciate it. It does help get these videos out there. It does show me that you are liking what you see, and I would really appreciate it if you can. What the hell with SHIB? I think SHIB's going to dump a little bit, man. Too many people are bullish on SHIB. This is not something that I'm giving you a 100% prediction on right now, but I think it's going to dump before it goes up. Too many people are bullish on SHIB. Too much hype is going on SHIB right now. Unless the meme coin season starts right now and meme coin season memes all start going up, and that is an indicator of SHIB going up more, I don't think SHIB's the play right now. Rasul says, Pepe or SHIB, which one has more potential to explode in the next bull run? You're going to be surprised. I think both of them are going to do very well intermediately. So one will do well, the other one won't do well, then the other one will do well, and so on. But they will both go up into meme coin season. Which one's going to outperform the other one? I don't know. But I do have, what can I, not speculation, a hunch. I have a hunch that Pepe will take market share from Shiba or at least go up and catch up on market cap. See, we have Doge and Shiba, the king and queen of meme coins. It's time for Shiba to get challenged, just like Ethereum got challenged from XRP. And I do think that Pepe is the challenger in this case. So I do think at some point, at least Pepe will have will hugely outperform Shiba. Now, whether it will do it in the long term, I don't know. As more money comes in and more people get into meme coin season or meme coin mania, they will both go up differently, right? But it is a good play to hold Pepe. I called Pepe before Pepe took off, by the way, just so you know. If you look at my channel real quick, I just want to verify shit because a lot of people say, no, you're lying. I hate that. But if we go down here, we actually called right here. Hidden altcoin gems and a meme coin that will explode. Right here is the video we called. I think we called it before this video as well, but this was 3 months ago. Only 1,200 views. I think more of you should be watching my videos, because whoever watched that video and actually took that advice is probably sitting on a small fortune. Some people probably made millions. I made a small fortune. Let's move on. How is the meme token, Wall Street memes, do you think is similar potential like Pepe? Not really. So I'll tell you what's going on with Wall Street memes, right? So Wall Street memes has the potential because it's backed by a Twitter channel from, I think it's 2019. Wall Street memes. Elon Musk has interacted with it a couple of times, like several times, and they released the meme token. But I'm not sure if a company bought the Twitter handle and is using it for marketing, or they made a deal with them. So Wall Street meme token was released. So that's one thing. And you also have to understand that just because Elon Musk interacts with something doesn't mean it's gold. Like, he interacted with Bob token, AI, on Twitter, but as soon as Bob was released as a token and he realized that, he actually banned the original creator's Twitter account. Right? Because he thought it was a scam, or didn't like what they did, or using his name, or whatever. So those are actually two negatives. A positive is that there's a lot of hype around it, a lot of influence around it. Another negative is their pre-sale. It's in stages. And we've seen that before with AI Doge, which didn't do so well, and might even be the same company behind it. So there's more research to do when it comes to Wall Street memes. I wouldn't bet the farm on it. I wouldn't. You could put like $100 into it. If it does extremely well, like 50, 100x or more, you'll be happy. You probably be like, oh man, I wish I put more. But if you lose all that money, if you lose $100, you'll be like, I wish I put less, right? So that's how I would play it. And not financial advice. The water just spilled. Not financial advice, obviously. We're all the XRP shillers today, man. We're all the XRP people here. No XRP people to call me out, give me their opinion. All right. I've been on the sidelines for a while, keeping my crypto in cold storage, accumulating Bitcoin, which is great, by the way. I staked my Ethereum on a Lidio, and I can't take it out, so you have to wait for the upgrade. I would be extremely wary about staking your cryptocurrency and giving custody of it anywhere. I warned about BlockFi, bankrupt. I warned about Celsius, bankrupt. I warned about Dexpool, which was a sponsored video on my channel. A sponsored video, Dexpool. They paid me to do this video, and I still said I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole, right? So I'm very wary about giving custody. Not your keys, not your crypto, dude. Do not give your crypto somewhere. If you're staking in a decentralized fashion, if you like want to just, buy, I don't know, Pancake Swap or something like that, that's fine. If you're staking within Exodus.io wallet, for example, that's fine. You have full custody. I don't like giving my coins anywhere. Bill says, thank you, Paul. We'll do another one. We'll do a one-on-one soon. Again, thank you very much, Bill. Really appreciate you, man. Anytime, just put it on the calendar. We'll get it done, bro. I enjoyed myself last time. We'll enjoy myself again, man. Hey, Paul, I love giving value and giving people answering their questions and setting them up for success. I just love doing that. And I love it when one-on-one coaching, people come back. I've had every single coaching client come back, which means they're happy. And that is really, really cool, man. I really love that. Means people are getting value and I'm helping them. And that feels good. Pepe 2.0 and Evil Pepe are scams. Why 2.0 was successful, but Evil was not? Probably better marketing, better hype, and better name recognition. Shah says, when you told Solana $2, how do you know that Solana $250? Well, I didn't know it was going to go to $250. I just knew it was going to run more. There's a big difference. I didn't say $2 or $250. I just kept on looking at the charts. I saw strength. And when it was at $70 and it broke $70 and people were saying it's going to go down, that's when I figured it's going to go to 180. Then if that breaks, it's going to go to 250. And that's what I forecasted. And I think that video I showed you was for it to go back up again. And not too long ago, I called the top. But I made another video before that calling it to go up there, if you will. My friend, do you script strategies or indicators or trading views? What? Oh, are you talking about script strategies for trading? I thought you meant scripts for YouTube videos or sales, man. No, I do my own technical analysis. I do my own thing. It's been working out great. I don't really want to go into somebody else's script or anything like that. The KidCom, we are pretty much all brothers Muhammadi because of crypto. Yeah, pretty much, man. Solana price for this bull run. I think that Solana, okay, be very careful what I'm going to say here now because it's very important and I'm only responsible for what I say, not what you understand. It's very important what I'm going to say here. If Solana breaks all-time highs, which I think it will, okay, and an indicator it will break all-time highs is if it breaks $72 again. But if it breaks all-time highs after that, which it probably will if it breaks $72, I see Solana going to $700 to $1,000 by the end of this bull run. Okay, that is my Solana prediction. It's going to be hard. It might not do it. It's very early right now. But if the cards are aligned, I would not be surprised for it to reach $1,000. For you, those of you that are saying it's impossible because of market cap, more money is going to come in. But also, $1,000 is about 3x from all-time highs of Solana, which is doable. All right, what's your portfolio breakdown as far as Bitcoin? You go 50%. It changes at times. Right now, I think I'm at 60% Bitcoin right now, maybe a little bit more. What's the next Solana for this bull run? I think I already said. Oh, the next Solana. I gave you a narrative that may be this bull run or the next bull run. I'm not sure. But the narrative is, I'll tell you the narrative. Just want to show you the video. It's this video right here. Cryptocurrency projects that will explode and make you rich right here. This one right here with a really cool graphic, right? This one right here. I would look at trend stacking and I would look at gaming with AI and also DeFi with AI and obviously the offsets, right? So DeFi, gaming, but also DeFi stacked with AI and gaming stacked with DeFi, AI. And knowing this, basically you can actually forecast, and when a project comes out with the right narratives, right fundamentals, and TA will just come out because there isn't any, then you can actually get into those projects and potentially get rich. So we have a super chat by the Golden Eagle 99. Thank you very much. Really appreciate you. Really appreciate the support. Can you do CRO coin analysis? If you mean technical analysis, CRO, crypto, no, coin market cap. I'll do a basic one because it's not, I'm not going to sit doing technical analysis. Takes a long time, as you know. Okay, it's not like 1 second. And a lot of crypto YouTubers do this technical analysis. They do it in like 5 minutes. That's not technical analysis. That's like basic shit, and that's all I can do right here. Okay, so if I'm looking at the daily chart right here, real quick, from what I see that CRO Kronos has broken resistance here. It's broken resistance here. So there was resistance over here and here. This was major resistance. It broke out, okay, and it's going up. So I do suspect it's going to keep on going up here, probably come back down, meet support, and then bounce off this trend line right here. It's 57.88. That would be an indicator to go in for bigger gains. Let's look at the 7-day. The 7-day, as you can see, it rejected over here. So let's see, that's probably the way down that I was talking about earlier on. Oh, wait a second, it just changed, it went back up. So basically, it did come back down. It did find support again, and it's going back up right now. I would say right here, well, it's getting to resistance right now, in my opinion. Next resistance 57. If this goes over 58 cents or whatever that is, we're looking at, I think it's going to form, I think it's going to come up here. I think it's going to do very well. Let's have a look at the monthly real quick. It looks like it's going to take back ground. Why? I don't know. Fundamentally, I don't know why. Maybe it's because exchanges are getting in trouble with SEC. Maybe Kronos has something they don't know, or the other exchanges don't have. If you look at the yearly, obviously, it's flat here, so we still don't know what's going on, so don't get too excited. Does have a lot of potential. I don't know if it's going to get back to all-time highs again. I would doubt it. I do think at some point in the bull market, it may reach 36 cents. I think that's possible. It's more possible for 13 cents, of course. Right now, it's at 5 cents. I think it's a good play. If you want to get into an exchange and do an exchange play, I think it's pretty good. I wouldn't bet the farm on it. I would very, very responsibly make a play, and if it goes up to those levels I just told you, rewind this live stream, I would get in slowly. Does that make sense? But if it's see rejection and you see weakness or non-volume, then I would be more cautious. I hope that's okay for your answer. All right, where were we? Paul, you should make a portfolio video for the next bull run. Look, I'm going to tell you something else that's even better. I'm not sure if you can afford this. I'm going to be very honest with you, but let me just show you. If you go down under any video, right? Let's say, I don't know, wrong about XRP, whatever, okay? Let me just pause this. And if you go to the more section under the description, look at this. I'm not going to talk to you about my course or my one-on-one because those are pretty expensive, but I just made this, become a VIP Factor member. And you can actually click this and support the channel. It's actually quite cheap. It's $49 a month. But if you become a VIP Factor member, then you get monthly crypto portfolio update. You see exactly what I do. You get exclusive monthly group Zoom calls, which I'm going to start with AMA so I can answer your questions. You get special products on discounts and services so you can buy any of my products much less. You get exclusive videos and you get much more. I just started this, $49 a month, okay? I just started this. And I'm planning to give so much value on this, it's going to be crazy, right? So you can actually become a member, become a VIP Factor fam. That's what I'm calling it right now. I might change the name later on. But I think this would be your best bet for that. And that way I can get sort of paid for my time to update all the time and give value and make this my job 100%. I won't have to work for companies anymore. And then you can get value from looking at all these updates and upgrades, if that makes sense. That's the closest thing. Now, I will give you a portfolio video at some point for free. So if you don't have the money, don't worry, just wait. But if you want, like, have the advantage and support the crypto factor and get information faster, that's your best bet. What's your portfolio breakdown as far as Bitcoin video? We already answered that. What's the next Solana for the next bull? I already answered that. Is Bitcoin ETF sell the news event? Ooh, very good question, Shah. You're learning. We don't know. We don't know because there's a bit of a difference this time with the ETF. See, when the futures came out last time, it was a sell the news event, but also it gave people the option to start shorting Bitcoin. But also futures don't require you to buy Bitcoin. But an ETF, BlackRock, for example, if it's an ETF, you have to buy the underlying asset. So Blackpool, if they want to short or sell or whatever, they need to buy and own Bitcoin, the real Bitcoin. It's not like futures, right? That's why the ETF is so important. So while it's initially may be a sell the news event, I'll say this, it depends when and where in the bull market it happens. So if you're still going up in the bull market, which it's quite possible, I think it will send the prices higher. But if it comes towards the end of a bull market, we'll just say 2025, for example, some date in there, we don't know yet. I'll tell you when I think the end's coming of the bull market. Then it might become a sell the news event. The question is the ETF priced in Bitcoin right now? Is it priced in? I don't think so, because they need to buy more of that asset, right? So let's see what happens. It's exciting. Very good question, by the way. I'm very impressed. Mortel Emruz Kaligar must, it's 35 Celsius. You got it right, man. Okay, awesome. 35. It's not bad, 35. We had 44 a while ago. 35 is pretty cool. But yeah, I love Tehran. So I was in Tehran. I don't know if you guys know this. I actually went and I got detained in Iran, by the way. I got detained in Iran. That's the funny part, man. And it's so funny. I'll tell you the story. It's a really funny story. I'll make it quick, though, just in case you don't want to hear it, right? But I went to Iran. I was still in consulting for time sharing, right? So I went to Iran, and I was the managing director or sales director for Iran. My job was to give podiums, give presentations to sell rooms of people, timeshare for Tenerife, right? So I would do the presentation. I would do it like in English. I'd have a translator. I'd make like jokes. People would laugh. It was great. We lived next to the Shah's palace in the building. I can't remember which one it was called or anything. I had a driver and everything. He took me around. I remember going and eating dizzy, which was my favorite soup I ever had in my life. And I remember going around and eating lamb's heads and stuff like that, right? It was really cool. So when I was leaving Tehran to come back to Greece, I have a British passport at the time anyway. And I went to the airport. I was really excited leaving because I was there for a while. And as much as I loved it, I wanted to get back. I was in love with this girl. It's a long story, right? I was like I wanted to get back even though I was making a shitload of money. I was young. I was like 20-something. So as I was getting onto the airplane, the security guy, I still remember him, big guy, glasses. He stops me. He's like, hello. I'm like, what's up? How are you? He's like, where are you going? I'm like, oh, I'm going to Greece, man. I'm going back home, yeah. He's like, you Iraqi? No, I'm like, I'm Greek. So he's like, I don't think so. I think you're Iraqi. I'm like, no, I'm Greek. He's like, you look Iraqi. I'm like, no, I'm Greek, man. I mean, I could say something in Greek if you want. He's like, tell me. I'm like, it's a malakas, right? Because I was just having fun. He's like, I still think you're Iraqi. Can I see your ID? So I show him my British passport. He's like, but this is British. I'm like, yes, I'm Greek. My blood is Greek. I was born in London. He's like, you do not sound British. You sound like an Iraqi spy. And at this point, it started clicking that the guy wasn't joking, right? I'm like, no, listen, I'm Greek. I'm not an Iraqi spy. And I just want to get on the airplane and go home. He's like, you're not going on the airplane. Prove to me you are Greek. I'm like, I just spoke to you in Greek. He's like, this is not proof. You might be making it up. I'm like, okay, if I don't have a way, I did a sales close to him because I thought I was a smart ass. So I said, listen, if I show you a Greek ID, if I had a Greek ID, if I had a Greek driving license, which I don't think I have, but if I had one, would you let me on? He's like, yes. I'm like, okay. So I take out my Greek driving license and I give it to him. I was like, here you go, Greek driving license. He's like, this is fake. He's like, sit down. I'm like, I'm not sitting down. I'm getting on this plane right now. I'm going back home. And then I see security guards coming with these machine guns, right? So I'm like this, and I see the machine guns, and he's like, I think you should sit down. I'm like, I'll sit down. So I sit down. I'm sitting there, miss my flight, and they take me into this room, and they start interrogating me. And they start asking me all these different questions, right? So anyway, I missed my flight, so I'm like, fuck it. I need to go to the British Embassy and get papers, So I called up the British Embassy. It was a Friday. I think everything's closed on a Friday, by the way, in Iran, if I remember correctly. But my dad made some calls, right? Because my dad, okay, he's gone now, but he was very connected. And they got the embassy to come in on a Friday and give me the paper that my passport is real. So my flight's now on Monday. Okay, so I go to the airport again, and like an idiot, I go straight to the guy, and show him the paper. I'm like, listen, it's a Friday. You're going to tell me it's shut, but here's the paper. I'm getting on my flight. He's like, this is fake. Come with me. Oh, no, and I didn't get integrated before. This is where I made a mistake. I didn't get it. So he takes me into these back rooms. I sit down. He's like, I think you're an Iraqi spy. And they start coming in and asking me all these questions. And I kid you not, this is so true. This is so true. I swear this is true, okay? So I said, I quickly thought about it. I'm like, listen, I'm not an Iraqi spy. I am Greek. I don't care about Zionists. I don't care about America. I am Greek. My blood is Greek from Alexander the Great, and we are cousins. And how dare you do this? I swear, I made all this thing just to get out of it, right? And I kid you not, I hear from the other room, I hear like, they were like with it, right? Anyway, the guy kept on wanting to be an asshole. Now, at this point, I had my translator come in with me. And he was translating everything to me. I called my dad. My dad called the embassy and made all these different connections call. And the guy translated after a while for me. Somebody came in and said, listen, all the phones in the airport are ringing to let this guy go. Are you sure you want to keep him here? All right. Anyway, they let me go. And then a few days after, the embassy, they escorted me onto the airplane. And they told me, listen, You're gonna get a ticket. We're gonna escort you to the plane. They're gonna tell you, if they tell you to go land in any non-European country, deny it. So I went. I got a new ticket, and they wanted to give it to me with a stop at Afghanistan. I kid you not. I said no. I want a European country. They looked bothered. They gave me a ticket to Italy, so Greece through Italy, and. And the guy was there, and I walked up to him right before I boarded, and I was with the embassy this time. We walked right through. It was like royalty. And the guy is like, I saw the guy, and I'm like, listen, man, you should, all is forgiven, everything's cool. You should come visit me in Greece. I even got his phone number and everything. I'm like, you should visit me in Greece. He's like, no. I'm like, why won't you come to visit me in Greece? He's like, you will kill me. I'm like, yeah. And that's where it ended. I never went back to Iran again. But the people there were great. The people there were awesome. Some of the best people I ever met. All this, actually, I'll say something really bad right now. This all happened, but I ended up sleeping with my translator before I came to Greece, so it was one positive. The bad thing is I told my girlfriend when I got back like an idiot, so I don't have any, because I wanted to be real with her, and that caused a little bit of a problem, but she forgave me in the end. But yeah, that was my little thing with Iran. But yeah, there was like some drama in Italy, but I got back safely. It's pretty hilarious. True story. It's insane. I invested in Starship Joe and it's way down, probably because it's a scam. I was holding it. Look, there's only one Doge. Any something Doge is someone that's trying to get your money, a complete scam, or trying to use the Doge name. Wrong move. Sorry to hurt you like this, but it's true. Same thing with Pepe. They go off the name. It's ridiculous. If you're going to get into something like that, you have to get out fast. And you should only do it in meme mania while it's pumping, and you have to know how to do it. For that, watch my meme coin webinar right under this video and under the other videos where I showed you the link to become a VIP Factor Factor member. There's also free webinars for cryptocurrency and meme coins that you can watch, and will teach you this stuff. All right, the goal is some of those XRP heads are annoying, but I own a few thousand. So do I. I own some XRP as well, right? I have no problem. It's just that I have a problem with their opinion. It's not that I don't care about their opinion. They just recycle the same shit. It's not that I don't care about the opinion. It's that I don't give a fuck about their opinion. Because it just doesn't make sense. And when I say I don't give a, I literally mean it. A flying fuck could come land on my shoulder, okay, flapping its wings. And their opinion could be hanging on the cliff. And the only thing they need is a fuck in order for it to survive. I'd be like, sorry, I'd shoo it away and say, I don't give a fuck. Like, because it's all the same shit. Sorry about that, I got a little graphic. It's all the same shit over and over again, but they don't want to hear the counter side. They're just so like this on their side. I think XRP is going to do very well. I really do. I'm in XRP for this reason, right? But some of the shit they're saying is complete whack and crazy. Rasul says, Crypto Galaxy and Crypto John are three of the best and most honest YouTubers. And thank you very much. I don't know who those guys are, but I'll check them out. What's your price prediction on Atom and DOT, please? Max K, I don't have price predictions for these cryptocurrencies right now. I think it's too early to give price predictions, and I think it's unresponsible to do so. I did do one on Solana and everything because I was following it more. I do think they can go up at least 3 to 5x for Atom. And DOT may at least 2 or 3x if everything goes well in the bull run. But to give a price prediction for anything beyond that, it has to be closer to the bull run, in my opinion, so I can watch the price action towards there, if you will. Please like this video if you're having fun and you're getting value, by the way. I would really appreciate it. I would really appreciate the like button. I hate asking for it. I see YouTubers doing it. I was watching Crypto Wendy O last time. She was asking for likes every 5 to 7 minutes, maybe less. It's annoying as shit. I know I'm annoying, but please like the video. I would really appreciate it. I hate asking for it. I really do hate it. But I need to get this channel up there, man, and everyone else is doing it, so... By the way, this in Iran, Not good. It's a culture. You don't want to be doing this in Iran, right? Who's my brother before I was talking to? Mohammed? You don't want to be doing this in, was it Morteza? You don't want to be doing this in Iran. I did that when I was 19 years old. I was getting engaged to a Persian girl. Her name was Nasa. Her real name was Nazanin Rezayamin, okay? So I was going to ask for a hand in marriage, and we went up to this place in Likavitos in Greece. I was a kid, man. I was like 19, maybe less. And I met her parents. So her dad did not speak English. She was speaking in Persian. So he was speaking in Persian. Oh, Farsi. Sorry, Farsi is the actual terminal. So he was speaking in Farsi. And my girlfriend was translating everything. And every time he was saying something that was smart and giving advice for how couples are supposed to be in the marriage, I was going like this. Yes, yes. And I learned ballet, so I thought it was smart. So I was like, ballet, ballet. Ballet. And so my girlfriend turns around and she's like, yeah, you don't want to be doing that all the time. I'm like, why? Well, she's like, in Iran, it means up yours. So this is me. I was sitting at the table with my food. Like I was like, I just ducked under the table. They laughed, of course, but I thought it was pretty funny. Another super chat by the Golden Eagle 99. What's up? Okay, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. First of all, let me answer this question and get back to the rest of them. Cardano, really quick, please. And also, how important do you think is... Okay, let me tell you what's going on with Cardano right now. I'm not going to do technical analysis on Cardano because I think it's not worth doing it right now. Because right now, Charles Hoskinson is looking for aliens, apparently. And while that is news in itself, if they actually find something or use this news to get exposure, which is actually great because there's a lot of news on extraterrestrials and aliens right now, this is all great, but I think ADA has a backseat to that right now. Now, that said, that does not mean that ADA is not a good buy. I do think ADA is a good buy. I'm going to start accumulating ADA again pretty soon. I did get out before because I said that it's not going to go up as fast as other cryptocurrencies and there's opportunity cost, but it should be part of your portfolio in my opinion. I'm going to start getting into ADA pretty soon. So, if you haven't already, subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button because I will be making ADA videos. Granted, some of them are going to be short videos for the next 2 weeks, but I will make a longer form video talking about the ADA because I think it's important, vital, it should be part of your portfolio. Just be responsible. Don't get all in on it because there are other cryptocurrencies that are going to outperform it. And while it should be part of your portfolio, and it may be a risk not to get into it, it's also a risk to get into it, if that makes sense and if that balances out my answer, right? I hope that helps. I really hope that helps, Golden Eagle. If not, let me know and I'll try and elaborate a little bit more. Okay, Ajax price, is that where I am right now? Where am I? Wait, I don't want to miss your questions. I don't want to miss questions here. Big question, is Souvlaki or Gyros? Okay, so CryptoClicks, Souvlaki is the stick with the little pieces of meat on it. Gyros is the big sort of lump of meat that goes round and round on a spit. It's a bit different than the Turkish version or the Arabic version, by the way. It's pork, for one, and not cow meat or beef. Both are great, man. I'll say that. Both are great. I actually missed that question earlier on. Sorry about that. Crypto Galaxy and Crypto... Okay, I already read that one. What's here? Okay, read this. Are you on the team that says we need a big dump before the next... Okay, no. No, but BGM, check this out. I'm not on the team that says we have to do anything. Because when it comes to technical analysis, when it comes to markets, they don't have to do anything. They don't have to follow you. They don't have to follow your TA or anything. You only go by probabilities. Now, if we look at price history, we do have dumps. We have dumps in bull markets as well. Bitcoin's been going down 20, 30, 40% in bull markets. Okay? The difference is it goes back up after that dump and keeps and breaks all-time highs. In a bear market, it's the other way around. But I'm not on the camp that anything has to do anything. Markets are irrational. You can never logically talk about them. That's why all these crypto influencers on YouTube that says this is happening and this is happening, therefore the price is going to go down or the price is going to go up. They're talking about fundamentals. The price ends up doing something else or not doing that at all. And they're like, oh, I can't understand why this happened. It's because markets are irrational. They are irrational. They don't make sense. Your best bet is technical analysis, right? And even that, you have to be really, really good at it, okay? Otherwise, you're not going to do much. There's two ways to do technical analysis in crypto, by the way. Either you have to be extremely good at it, which means you have to be doing it for years, okay? And when I say years, I don't mean like 2-3 years. I mean like 10-20 years, okay? Or you just have to be really basic, straightforward technical analysis, okay? So either very basic or very, very advanced. I don't see many very, very advanced people in crypto. Anything in between is bullshit. You can't do it, because it's too confusing and things change too much, right? So that I do technical analysis, I used to teach technical and fundamental analysis in Forex, like long before crypto. So I know TA. But when I do TA in crypto, I keep it purely basic for that reason. Does that make sense? So just a little tip for you. Another super chat by Jeff Lawson, my man. Thank you very much. I don't see a question, but thank you very much, man. Really appreciate the support, bro. I really like getting super chats because it shows that I'm doing something right and you guys are enjoying the content. And I like this because last few live streams I wasn't getting any super chats. And I guess I was doing something I didn't like. I tried to adjust. Now I know what you like. You like humor, you like value, and you like me answering your questions, which is great. Awesome. That's what we're going to be doing from now on. Thank you very much. Let's move on. WSM coin, I already talked about it. If you didn't see it, Stanko, please go back in the video so I don't talk about it again so people don't get bored. I actually talked about it quite a bit in this video. Ajax, price prediction, please, sir. I don't do price predictions yet for these coins. I do hold Ajax. I think it's going to go up. I think it's going to do 5x at the very least, in my opinion, if nothing goes wrong. It could even go to 10x. I've been talking about Ajax for a while. You should know that. Should be part of your portfolio as a riskier play regardless. It's also, I consider it the blue chip of Ajax as well as GRT, the graph. I consider them blue chip AI cryptocurrency projects. The Golden Eagle says you might as well invest in MicroStrategy stock. I don't see why not, by the way. Can you? But crypto will outperform, Bitcoin will outperform MicroStrategy at some point. Can you talk about CRO? I already have done that. I did a quick analysis for it as well if you go back in this live stream. Just not to waste people's time, just so I can answer as many questions as I want. I don't want to repeat answers unless it's something to add on to that answer, if that makes sense. Shah says, is this breakout will be huge because we are holding for... Yeah, any breakout on the upside or the downside should be amplified because of this range tightening up so long. Very correct. Shah, you've been watching this channel for a while, man, and I'm impressed. You're learning a lot, and you're telling me things that, you know, means you're studying here and there, and that's pretty cool, man. Well done. CryptoClicks, we are Sparta. We are Sparta! Danger story. Are you going to rotate your BTC into alts anytime? Well, I already have a lot of alts, and I already have Bitcoin. I think right now my Bitcoin is where it's probably the least I want to have in comparison to my alts. I will be taking profits from alts into Bitcoin though, if that makes sense, at some point, and I'll let everyone know when that happens. Hit the like button if you want me to tell you when it happens. I'll do a crypto Wendy L. Wait, and talking about it, please hit the like button, smash that like button, because smash likes. I don't know, I can't do a Wendy O impression, only watched it twice. Do you watch Hindi movies? No, man, but one of my favorite music video clips, I think it's called Shower of Love. It's translated to Shower of Love. And it's one of my favorite songs. It's so surreal. Give me a second. Let me see if I can find it real quick. I love it so much. I think it's so much fun. The video clip is a bit funny and fun, but the music is just amazing. I just love it, okay? I just love it so much. Shower of... I think it's by something Khan. Jaza Khan. I can't remember. He has his wife. It's with him and his wife. What was his name, man? It features a train. Okay, let me see. some sort of train. Oh man, I won't be able to find it. It's a shame. But his wife's beautiful, and her voice is just, oh my god, it's so capturing. It captures your soul. I'm serious. Anyway, I'm not gonna find it right now. I don't want to waste people's time. Afternoon poll finally made live. What's up, Crypto Clown World? Which does technical analysis, by the way. You should check out his channel. We might even do a live stream pretty soon together as well, as soon as my holidays are over. Clicked like. Have a great week, brother. Thank you so much, Kokino. I really appreciate you, man. Kokino. Sorry, I've commented a lot today. If we join VIP, are we able to follow you on your buys and sells? You will, yeah, the plan is to give as much value as I can. I will be telling you when I get out of or rotate out of a cryptocurrency. I will be telling you as much. I will be giving some extra information. Yes, I might be doing this on my YouTube channel as well, but it's more, it will be more clear cut, if that makes sense, and you'll see it easier. Like if I mention something in a live stream, I'll forget. People ask me, I can't remember where it is. It will be more clear cut, and I'm always upgrading it, so it will be worth it, if that makes sense. Or at least I'm going to give as much value as I could possibly can, max. So if you do want to become a member, it's in the description down below. It's a VIP Factor member, $49 a month. It will give you my portfolio. It will give you a whole bunch of stuff. You'll love it. Or at least I'll hope you love it. Where do you see Quanta the next bull run? About 2x to 3x from now, if at the very least. I can't give you an exact price range right now. It's not the time for predictions. We are getting there, though, where I'm going to be doing prediction videos like I did last time. Do you take Shiba Inu and the Shibarium seriously? I take Shiba Inu seriously to the point where, or in the sense that I can make money from it. Not so sure if I could, what you mean by seriously. It's if something that makes you money is pretty serious, right? The way I see Shiba, okay, Ethereum is to Bitcoin what Shiba is to Doge. Let me say that again for you so you can understand. If Shiba Inu is to Doge what Ethereum is to Bitcoin, in my opinion. Okay? So if Bitcoin is Dogecoin, Shiba Inu is Ethereum, but into the meme coin world, right? That is I think that's the best answer I can give right now. Kusama and Bitcoin Cash worth buying for the next bull run? That really depends. CC1, I think other cryptocurrencies will outperform them. You can hold some Bitcoin Cash in case some narrative comes. It might, I don't know, man. I think the next bull run is going to be mostly Bitcoin. Kusama might be an okay move. Bitcoin Cash, have one, just in case it flips, which it won't. But I don't know, man. I don't see Roger Ver as active as I used to. Like he used to be a lot more active, in my opinion, and a lot more relevant. Did you get the chance to check out CSPR Casper? Is CSPR Casper? Let me check real quick. Casper, yeah. So I talked about Casper earlier on. Unfortunately, I was in the hospital. Unfortunately, I was looking into it, but I didn't get to look into it, so I'm not qualified to answer anything about Casper. I do think it's going to do very well. I do think it might be good for your portfolio. I do not own any right now because I didn't get the chance to get into it or see what's going on. My man Shah with a super chat. Will AI coins 100x top coin like Ajax and Fetch? I think many can have the potential to 20 to 50x. Some will 100x, but we don't know which ones. All right? So try and grab the ones that you think can 10x. Grab your profits from that 10x. And then if they 100x, you're lucky. Does that make sense? I know it's a bit of a cop-out answer, but it's so true. It's so true. It's more true. And if you take my answer, watch this video again later, and you take that answer and you dissect it, it's so much value and so much wisdom in that answer that really it's a huge difference. It's a huge difference, okay? What do we have? Do you take your Kusama? Crypto Crown, you get a chance to check out SNX and GMX. I like SNX. I don't know what GMX is. Let me just rule, because there's so many coins out there, I forget sometimes, right? GMX is gmx.io. What is GMX? I don't know what GMX is. I do know what SNX is, and I think this is a good DeFi play. I have a 6.59 bull run target for Ajax. Nice. Taking a pretty big hit lately, Casper and Vet. VeChain, I don't think it's his time yet. I told you this in the last bull run. People didn't listen. This may not be its bull run yet either, but it's too soon to tell. As for Casper, on a dip, I would go for it. Jeff, I would definitely go for it. Chaka Khan, yes, Chaka Khan, Crypto Clown World. That's the one I was looking for. Wait, Chaka Khan. Let me see if I have the. Where is it? Chaka Khan. Let's see if it comes up. Man, I can't find it though. Damn it. Give me a second. There it is. Man, yo, guys, I know there's a crypto live stream, but you have to check this out. I won't leave it all. I'll just leave a little bit. Check out the voice of this woman. It's soul capturing. It's like I'd instantly get married to her, dude. And like, I love her voice. Just check this out. I can't leave it too much, man. They're gonna demonetize the video. Oh my god, just listen to this. Listen to this music video clip after, right? Just do it. It's called Chaya Chaya. Just check it out. Just check out this music video. It's soul capturing. As soon as I end this live stream, I'm gonna just put it on. I love it. I just love it, man. Especially if you're driving down the street like really, really fast in a Cabrio Mercedes Brabus and you have this in the background playing, it's just like, I'm telling you. I don't advise you to do that, by the way. In TA, is trend lines work? Yes, depending on which trend lines you work and what kind of TA you do. QNT bull run high technicals, very impressive fundamentals, at least 10x. Okay. Yeah, I think I can agree with that, but I'm giving it a 2 to 5x. I'm being conservative until I actually see it close to the bull run. Narratives change so fast in crypto. Things get obsolete. There's black swan events for projects separately, not just the whole market. There's a whole bunch of things that can happen. Have we talked to Gareth about price? Ooh, I haven't talked to Gareth for a while, Aaron. I know he was very busy. I was very busy. And we didn't do a collab for a while. It's been a minute. Maybe I should reach out to him, by the way. Maybe after September, I'll reach out to him and we'll do some videos again. Don't confuse SPS. Crypto Clown World, you're right. Casper is two different things, huh? Let me make a note. Copy this. Give me a second. You just caught me off guard. And this is important, so I gotta check this out. Yeah, okay, so Crypto Clown World just made an amazing, shall I call it correction? He corrected me, and he gave me some advice, which you don't confuse CSPR Casper with CAS Caspa, which is the one by Crypto Moon Boy or Crypto Moon or something. Because I was confused when I saw the two. And now I know why I was confused. Okay, I gotta check this out. Jasmine, says Zakira. Findora gives you 70% on node delegation. It's not a rug. It's not rug pool group of folks. It's whole position. Yeah, okay. I guess it's a statement or question. Investing in known high caps or new low caps? Both. You have to have a mix. You have to have a mix if you want to make money right now. I'm dating myself with Chaka. Do you think? How do you know that song, man? Do you think the money flow will be the same this bull run? It'll be more. I think it would be more, the money flow. And I do think that we're going to have the same sort of cycle, maybe a little bit different. Her name is Shahrukh Khan. Top paid. Yeah, she's a top paid for a reason, man. I think she's Shaka Khan's wife. I was really disappointed. I mean, I found one girl I really liked on the internet because I'm a very difficult person. I don't get impressed with like celebrities and stuff because I used to be in that world. But this woman just, wow. Can we see some project doing 10x faster? No, some projects will do 10x faster, some will do later, Shah. We just don't know which ones yet. We can speculate. Hit the like button, by the way, if you're just joining. We really appreciate it. Just like, you know, it's a YouTuber thing to ask for, by the way. Just hit the like button. Or just, I know. Let me try and make it graphic. Just smash the like button. Smash it! That's not a gimmick, by the way. This bag is here for another reason. I'm gonna get into the gym. Okay. Did I scare anyone? Did anyone get scared when I said smash? No? All right. Are they playing? I'm going to watch The Flash today, by the way. I know there's a curveball. It's going to do with the subject. But I'm going to watch right after this live stream. I'm going to watch the video clip with what was the name? Shakira? Not Shakira. Shakuruk. Anyway, I'm going to watch that video clip after. Then I'm going to go watch The Flash with my girlfriend. Unless she's watching this live stream and she heard what I said about that actress. Maybe not. Maybe I'll be sleeping on the couch, watching the movie on my own for the next 2 weeks. Are there places you can stay trading with low amounts of money that you'd recommend? Yes. Whenever there's a meme coin, I'm not sure what you're asking. If you're asking for categories or platforms, I trade on Binance. I trade on KuCoin. I trade on those platforms. Bybit's another one. I'm not sure about the exact question here, man. Here, if you go on my YouTube channel and you click right here where it says website, right here at the banner, if you click website, you can actually go to my website, obviously, and go to affiliates right here. And these are the exchanges I use, and there's a few affiliate links. I'm going to update this, by the way. I want to add Tangent Wallet here and so on. But these are companies. This is where I trade, but I'm not sure if you're asking to trade at places or if you're trading in category. Obviously, you can trade anytime you want. You can even short, you know, so it can go. You know, bet it's going to go down. But I'm not sure. I understand the question, dude. I'm betting on QNT interoperability. Okay, not bad. When will I be back around the blockchain? After September. I want the summer off. I need to relax. I just want to do 60-second videos, a couple of live streams, maybe a video now and then. But I want to take it easy. I really need a holiday. I really need to relax. So I'll be back on podcasts in general after September. So if we're not experienced in reading TA, who should we follow to see how crypto is trending? Why not just learn TA? So so Bruce Lee said it best, okay? I don't fear the man that practices 1,000 different kicks or 10,000 different kicks. I fear the man that practices one kick 10,000 times. So what I'm saying is, if you want, learn the basics of TA and keep on using the basics of TA so you can learn faster. And that'll work for you. Now, in order to learn TA, I would follow CTO Larson. He has a good course. I would follow Tone Vase, even though he's a Bitcoin maxi, but the TA is the same, right? But he's just going to talk about Bitcoin. He's not going to do TA on other things. And I would even follow Alessio Rastani. I think those three, and the chart guys if you're a day trader. But I think those 3 are your best for learning TA. Okay, you sold all your NT. Please inform us when you see crash coming. Well, I did, Shah. Not directly. On my channel, if you go here, onto my community page, and if you scroll down, I can't tell you exactly what to do because there's like certain things, certain lines I can't really cross. But look, where am I? Where is it? Somewhere here I want people to take profits right before it started going down. But obviously this is short term, right? Man, I can't find it right now. But if you look at my community page, you'll 100% find it. Fucking hell, where is it? Anyway, look for it, you'll see it. This is where I warned about the scam on a sponsored video. Can't find it. 100% if you look through. Ah, here it is. 2 weeks ago I edited this because it was a bit too... I told people to get out. If you saw this, you'll remember, but I edited it and I said, remember, depending on your specific situation, you may want to take short-term profits at any time. I meant to do this, but I didn't want to say it because I didn't want to get people like getting out too much if they're long-term and shit like that. But you have to kind of like read between the lines on this, right? But I did tell people to get out here, yes? All right, let me go back to this live stream. Are you buying Engine Coin later? Maybe, I don't know yet. QNT, best tokenomics in crypto, very low fixed. Okay. So look into QNT. Altcoin Forest video when? Soon. Soon, very soon. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go back to the altcoins forest on my new bike, which is why I bought it. One of the reasons I bought it. Is Tangem a secure wallet? I heard we should not keep it close to credit cards. I do. I never had a problem. I literally keep it in my wallet. Do I have it on me? Let me show you. So here is my cryptocurrency wallet. Well, my wallet, sorry, my actual wallet. And my credit cards are here. I don't want to see you guys to see the numbers, but look, if I do this, my Tangem wallet is right in here. Right? So I don't know. I didn't have a problem with it. Maybe I'm missing something. Holmes Traders Reality is a good channel, but it's not too advanced for beginners. Okay, it's too advanced. I love that quote from Bruce Lee. Yeah, it's a really cool quote, by the way. Alessio is pretty. So he's amazing. Alessio is. I'll tell you something about Alessio. Whenever I have whenever I do trading, and I have a certain analysis, I sometimes actually look at Alessio and also CTO Larson and see if they confirm. It's a shortcut. It's because sometimes we're biased. We use other people's signal analysis to confirm if we're being biased or if they're saying the same thing. That way, we can shortcut of and compare. So I use those two. Not 10% crash, like 25 or 30 above. When you see, please. Okay, got you. Mitch Ray is also okay. Best TA channel is Crypto Lifer. Okay. Other than mine, of course. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you for being here again. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you enjoyed what you saw and you got value. If you want to watch more of these videos, go ahead, subscribe down below. Hit the bell notification button. I love each and every one of you, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.